Hi, thanks for watching this video. It's from our Snapchat account, so it doesn't have sound like a traditional video. This particular clip talks about USA Gov's guide to conventions. The political party conventions have already started. Here, parties meet to choose their nominees for president and vice president, also known as the ticket. Here are some examples: John F. Kennedy and Lyndon B. Johnson, Frank Roosevelt and Harry Truman, Ronald Reagan and George H.W. Bush, Teddy Roosevelt and Charles W. Fairbanks. Review these terms before the convention starts. Delegates. Delegates are awarded when a candidate wins a state primary or caucus. Superdelegates. Superdelegates are key members of the Democratic Party not pledged to a candidate. Unbound delegates. Unbound delegates are Republicans whose votes are not tied to their state's results. This year, the Republican National Convention takes place on July 18th through the 21st in Cleveland, Ohio. The Democratic National Convention takes place July 25th through the 28th in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Remember to register to vote at vote.gov and visit usa.gov/voting to get all the election information you need. If you want more behind-the-scenes looks at our national monuments and museums, historical fun facts, and even the occasional helpful hint in real time, make sure to follow us on Snapchat. Search for USA Gov or use the Snap code.